In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a published post on Hootsuite. Whether you're a social media manager tidying up your profile, or just someone who needs to pull down an outdated post, this tutorial will walk you through the process. Let's get started. First, head over to hootsuite.com and log into your account. Now, if you're new to Hootsuite, you'll need your login credentials handy, so make sure you have your username and password ready. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Look to the left hand side of the screen for the navigation panel. The stream section is where we're headed. This panel is your hub for all things stream related, so it's good to get comfortable navigating it. Within the stream section you can see different categories, each representing streams you've set up for your social media profiles. Now your task is to select the stream that contains the post you wish to delete. Streams in Hootsuite are essentially feeds of your scheduled posts and published content, organized by networks and tabs you've configured. Choose the stream relevant to the social network where your post lives. Maybe it's Facebook, Twitter, or any other platform you manage. Now, locate the post that you intend to delete. This might take a little scrolling, depending on how active your streams are, so take your time to find exactly what you're looking for. Once you spot it, your next step is crucial. Look for the More Options icon. This icon is typically represented by 3 dots located near the post, so keep an eye out for it as it can be easy to overlook. Click on the More Options icon. This action will open a drop-down menu. From here you want to select the delete option. It's natural to pause for a moment to ensure you've clicked the right option because this step leads you to permanently remove your post. Now Hootsuite cares about your command certainty, so a confirmation dialog box will appear. It's like the platform's way of double checking if you're sure about this decision. When you see the dialog box, simply click delete again to confirm and finalize the process. This is the final click that seals the deal, permanently removing the post from your stream. And there you have it, a neat and efficient way to manage your content on Hootsuite by removing posts that are no longer needed. This straightforward method ensures that your social media presence stays relevant and up to date. Thanks for following along. Hopefully this guide made the process clear and easy to understand. If you have any more Hootsuite tips you'd like us to cover, feel free to let us know. Happy managing,